Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Classroom for your class. Your students should have already submitted and completed their permission waivers at home and returned those in order that you have student accounts and you can have students to add to your course. In order to create a Google Classroom, you're going to need to use the Chrome browser. It's recommended you use the Chrome browser. Other browsers will work, but Chrome is best. Start up Chrome and go to learn34.com. Once you're here, you'll click on Google Apps right here. Also, there's other information available and access to our different sites here. We can go to the GAIF tab on the menu bar here and go down to Classroom directly. For the sake of consistency, I'm going to show you how to get there through Google Apps. So click on this icon. Once you're here, you'll sign in with your learn34.com account. I've got a number of accounts that I use on this computer, so I'm going to choose the learn34.com account. Click on that. It'll ask me for my password, which I type in and sign in. Once you're here, this takes you to Google Drive where you can see all your items and other documents that you have. Go to the Apps selector, which is the checker box, Google Apps, right beside your name. Looks like a waffle. Click on the waffle and go down to More. Click More so that you can find Google Classroom. Because of the single sign-in with Google products, it takes you directly to your classroom. In my classroom right now, I have 6 examples here of classrooms. I'm going to start a brand new classroom by pressing the plus button at the top beside my name. I'm going to say create a class. There's join class and create a class. So create class. I'm going to call this class my new classroom. Actually, I'm going to call it, for the sake of helping you, I'm going to call it something that would make sense. I'm going to call it Math 10, for example. In here, I will then type in a section name. I'll type in section A and I'll say create. Once I create, I will get a brand new class showing up here, and this looks like math. They've put a nice banner behind it, etc. I can go change the way that banner looks by selecting select theme here on the right hand side, and I'm going to pick something else that looks nice. I'll pick out maybe my this yarn that's here and click on select class theme. Once I do so, it changes the picture that's there, which gives your students a visual cue possibly that they're in the right place. Now, all you need to do in order to have students come to class and to sign into the class as per the instructions getting started with GAIF and Google Classroom, you will need to provide them with an access code. That access code can be found under the Student tab here, and over on the right hand side, students, make sure that you have chosen the correct permissions here. Only teacher can post or comment. Let's turn that on right now just to keep students from making any posts or comments at this point. The class code right here is what you will be providing your students. That's the same as the one that's right here in the middle of the screen. In this case, it is BMQMCAF. So that's an example from my space that's right here. In class, in order to get students to sign into this, follow the instructions provided in getting started with GAIF and Google Classroom. Students will then click Join Class at the top and type in that class code, and they will then automatically be added. That is how you create a Google Classroom for your class or subject. Thanks for watching.